Every single bit of data is absolutely encrypted. You have Femora AI, you do not need any other app. Right now, we have 2K plus users on our platform. So, hello, my name is Amulya. I'm the founder of Femora AI. So, what Femora AI in specific is, it's a women's wellness platform. If I brief you in a single sentence, it's an AI that will listen to woman's body, understand what's happening inside her, and will guide her in her everyday process.
So may I know like when you exactly started up?
And this startup in specific, we started developing it in the month of May, and we have launched it in the month of November.
How are you using AI in it?
Our ML model that we have built, which is our own based ML model, it considers more than 200 parameters based on your mood, symptoms, the location you are in, the climatic changes. Everything is being considered, and then it gives you the predictions of next upcoming days. That's where our AI comes in, and then just we are like launching the Luna feature very soon.
So as of now, how many users this product?
Right now, we have 2K plus users on our platform.
How you are considering all those safety considerations?
Yes.
Yeah.
So the point is, the most important thing when I built Femora AI, even in the pamphlet, the biggest thing I've mentioned here is private and secure.
So is it on cloud or basically like how you are keeping the
Right
data?
now, it is on the AWS cloud, and we are using multiple cloud systems based on the importance of data, the security, the multiple security layers that are wrapped around it.
And who do you think that your competitors are? And why do you think that your product is stand out in terms of features from them?
Sure. So we are that one platform which has your entire data, which will guide you through your wellness, which we are coming up with gynecologist consultation very soon. So it's going to be one platform that's all interconnected, and this is going to be that one-stop solution. Now you have Femora AI, you do not need any other app.
And how big of a team as of now?
So we are in total of 6 to 7 people.
What has been the biggest challenge that you had as a founder so far?
To be very honest, when I talk about femtech domain, it is very difficult for people. Mainly when we talk in India, most of the people still consider it taboo, as we all know. Considering the sensitivity of this topic, it is very difficult to me reaching out to people without making them uncomfortable, actually explaining them the use of it and making sure they understand and they understand their own body in a better way by using Femora AI has been my biggest challenge.
Thank you so much, Amalia.
Thank you.